is FET341, Development Technology. Which of the following is the order that activities A through F are performed in a system development process using a waterfall model? Here is a description of the activities. In A, investigating and analyzing current problems and defining requirements for the target system. B, dividing functions required for the system into programs and clarifying the flow of processing. C, designing detailed procedures and writing code. D, performing tests. E, designing the internal structure of each program. F, defining functions needed as the system on the basis of the system requirements and specification. We have four options for the order of the activities: A, B, F, C, E, D, A, F, E, B, C, D, A, F, B, E, D, C, and A, F, B, E, C, D. The waterfall model is a popular and pioneer version of the Systems Development Lifecycle (SDLC) model for software engineering. Often considered in the classic approach to the systems development lifecycle, the waterfall model describes a development method that is linear and sequential. Waterfall development has distinct goals for each phase of development. Once a phase of development is completed, the development proceeds to the next phase, and there is no turning back. In short, there is no overlapping in the waterfall model. Let's have more of a look at the waterfall model. Development proceeds in the technique from the upstream processes to the downstream processes. Following is a diagrammatic representation of different phases of the waterfall model. All of these phases are cascaded to each other, in which progress is seen as flowing steadily downwards like a waterfall through the phases. The next phase is only started after the defined set of goals is achieved for a previous phase, and it is signed off, hence the name the waterfall model. So here, if we have a quick brief going through of the waterfall model, we start at basic planning, which is an overall image of development work is decided. Once all the goals have been met on this stage, we'll pass down into the external design. This keeps flowing until we meet the end. Let's just quickly look at each station. The external design. Design of the software is carried out from the user's perspective. Then we pass into the internal design. Design of the software is carried out from the developer's perspective. Then we move down into the program design. Design of the program-based units to be developed is carried out. Next, programming. The programs are created. Testing. Correct operation of the software is verified. And finally, operation and maintenance. The software is operated and maintained. Now what we can do is reference the activities that we had on the first slide to the waterfall system we just had. A corresponds to the basic planning phase. B refers to the internal design phase. C refers to the programming phase. D the testing phase. E the program design phase. And F the external design phase. According to the system development process using the waterfall model, the order of the activities are A, then F, then B, E, C, D. Therefore D is our appropriate answer for this question. So the answer is D. Here we've had a deeper look into the waterfall model and how the process must cascade through the different phases to act as the waterfall model.